It is when a COVID-19 vaccine is approved, people will need to take it in order for it to work. And a new poll shows most people in Massachusetts would, but not all. The survey from Western New England University found 59% say they're very or somewhat likely to get the vaccine, but 38% say they're very or somewhat unlikely to be vaccinated. WBZ political analyst Jon Keller joins us now. And is this a good start toward a successful vaccination program, Jon?
Gee, Paula, I'd call it a big-time warning sign. You know, we tend to think of ourselves here in Massachusetts as very enlightened. We have higher rates of mask compliance and so forth. But that 59% number is exactly the same as the national numbers on vaccine compliance. So we're not doing any better than any other part of the country, and that's not going to cut it. The experts say we need 75 to 90% compliance to make mass vaccination work and produce herd immunity. Among some groups, Republicans and people of color, the figured support for the vaccine drops well below 50%. That's a big trouble sign.
And Jon, let's take a look at this. The pollsters asked people who said they were unlikely to take the vaccine why they felt that way. The most common responses were distrust of the vaccine approval process, concern over side effects, and wanting to know more about the vaccine. Only 4% cited that they had an anti-vaccination philosophy, anti-vaxxers as they're called. So what do you think those numbers tell us?
Right. Well, to me, that suggests that the resistance to a vaccine grows more out of the current political environment, Paula, than it does out of any long-standing skepticism about all vaccines. And it's not hard to see why. Think back on the past year between the president's criticism of the CDC for supposedly slow-walking of vaccine approvals for political reasons, and then the Democrats saying, oh, no, don't trust any vaccine that they might release before Election Day. Looks to me like the political culture has done a pretty good number on public confidence, and restoring it is going to be job one for the new administration, Paula.
Well, and this could be evidence of that. One last finding from this poll: asked if they're worried they'll contract the virus, 76% of Democrats and 66% of independents said that yes, they were worried. But among Republicans, only 32% agreed, with a majority saying that they're not worried. What do you think about that?
I mean, that is stunning. Just think about it. After 10 months of the death toll, the scenes from inside the hospitals, the reality of this nightmare, there's a glaring partisan split over whether it's even real or not, or even a threat. Bottom line is, the worst public health threat in a century in our country has been politicized to the point where it severely threatens our only way out of this: widespread acceptance of the vaccine. It's amazing and troubling.
The next few months are so crucial. Jon Keller, thank you.